the hills of Assam, where the Brahmaputra River flows through the lush valleys, there lies a temple with no idol, only a womb. Once every year, this sacred land comes to a halt, as the goddess rests. Welcome to the mystical celebration of fertility and womanhood, Ambubachi Mela 2025. Ambubachi, known as Amity in local parlance, is not merely a religious fair. It is a spiritual phenomenon, held annually at the Kamakhya Temple in Guwahati, Assam. This Mela marks the menstruation period of goddess Kamakhya, symbolizing the earth's fertility and nurturing essence. In 2025, the Ambubachi Mela will be observed from June 22 to June 26. It begins on June 22 at 7:20 p.m. IST, marking the onset of the goddess's menstruation. No rituals will take place for the following 3 days, during which the temple remains closed. On June 25 at 7:15 p.m. IST, Ambubachi concludes, known as the Pravriti Tithi. The goddess is considered purified, and the temple doors reopen at sunrise on June 26, welcoming devotees eager for blessings and darshan. During these 3 sacred days, typical worship ceases, and the Garbhagriha remains closed. Farming activities are halted, embracing the belief that Mother Earth herself is in a state of rest. Tantric sadhus and agoras gather here for esoteric rituals rarely witnessed by outsiders. These 3 days reflect ancient Hindu traditions surrounding menstruation, a moment where femininity and fertility are honored and celebrated, rather than hidden. No cooking, no bathing, and no temple entry during this period highlight the sacredness of this time. Once the temple reopens, spiritual intensity peaks. Devotees often queue overnight for their first darshan, seeking blessings of fertility and prosperity. Pilgrims receive a special prasad, a cloth believed to have covered the goddess, said to possess miraculous powers. If you plan to attend Ambubachi Mela 2025, here are 7 crucial tips for survival. Reach Guwahati by June 21 and stay close to Nilachal hills. Carry headgear, water bottles, and light clothing to cope with the summer heat. Accommodation fills up quickly, so consider temple guest houses or stay in the Malagan area. Be prepared to walk as vehicles are restricted near the temple. Respect the sacredness of the site, as photography inside the sanctum is not allowed. Stay hydrated, eat light meals, and adhere to the spiritual code. Engage with locals. Their stories are the true treasure of this festival. Ambubachi is more than faith. It is a celebration of womanhood, nature, and mysticism. Anthropologists view this event as a unique acknowledgement of the menstrual cycle in a traditionally patriarchal society. Tantrics see it as a bridge to higher consciousness, while seekers come for answers and healing, finding their own awakenings. Whether you are a believer, a seeker, or a curious traveler, Ambubachi Mela promises to transform you. Like, subscribe, and comment if you found this insightful. If you plan to attend, let me know. I might see you there. Stay curious and stay blessed.